Okay, so basically I've bought this TMall Genie. This is like Mandarin speaking, so-called Google Home kind of thing. Alexa, or Alexa. So let's see how it works. Don't do this at home. Probably use a better tool, but I don't have any better tool. So probably this packaging is good. And well, it's electronic though, so good packaging. Let's see how. Okay, looks nice. Just gonna take it out. Nice packaging. So it's together with the serial number, MAC address, and all the function, all the specs. Okay, it's all in Chinese. Well, I don't know how to read, so let's see how it goes. So right now it's technically like a non-Chinese speaking people trying something. Chinese technology. Okay, this is the winning part. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Looks nice box though. Alright. Okay, this is instruction here. Then there's this is technically access adapter. Or they give like a China pin, so probably you need a universal adapter in order to get this up. But it's okay, no worries about that. I have. Okay, so it's very well packed, as you can see. Pretty neat. So I ordered the red color actually, but the seller came to me and says that they don't have a stock for red, so we opt for white. Okay, so let's see. Let me try to on if let's say they have any battery here. Good question. Where's the on button? Probably this one. No, then back to the manual. There's no on button. It's just like plus sign, a plus sign and a minus sign and the mute. So it didn't say how to on. So well, basically I need to connect to an app. Later on we'll just probably load the app over. All the instructions here are in Chinese, so you probably might need to get a Google Translate or just try it. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this over to an adapter. Probably it works that way. I don't know. I don't know a thing in. Okay, so I've just got this in, and this is the DC portion. Oh, there you go. So it's on. When it's on, I guess there's a light here. Okay, welcome.
欢迎使用天猫精灵。为了更好的为您服务，请先用手机下载天猫精灵 APP， 再根据手机提示帮我联网哦。
Okay, so I guess it's welcoming speech by TMall Genie.
网络连接失败，建议您根据手机提示帮我联网哦。
So I guess you need app to connect it. So this is unboxing video. So probably once I download the app, and probably I'll get another video up for you guys. Okay, thank you.